Welcome to What is Chalk Couture Part 5. What's the difference between Chalkology paste and couture ink? Paste is a product that is semi-permanent, and our ink is permanent when heat set. What can you do with our ink and our transfers? So you can do an ink project using our transfers as long as it's something that can either bake in an oven at 350 degrees for 35 minutes or that you can iron to make it permanent. It's a thing that has to be heat set in order to be permanent. So there's lots of ideas for what you can chalk. I've done multiple things like coasters, linen, cotton, all kinds of things. So that's the difference. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for part 6.